Let us go through how we can insert text links and image links in HTML documents. So in this concept, we use what is called the anchor tag, which is spelled with an A like this. So you open your anchor tag like this, and then you close it like this, just like how we do it for all the tags in HTML. And then as our attributes, and you know attributes are put in the opening tag, right? We're going to be using what is called the hyperlink reference, which is spelled as a href, like this. Our hyperlink reference is going to be the link to where our website will lead us to when we click on that link. So which is equals to, it's going to be just a web address for any site that you know. So I'm going to put the web address for google.com, which is going to be https like this, www.google.com like this. But this information in the opening tag here will not appear on the screen, but we need to tell the user what he's supposed to do pertaining to this link. So the first thing, we use our label to the left of the opening tag, that is to tell the user what the link is about. So we type to go to Google like this. So this information will appear on the screen, and then in between the anchor tag as our element again, we then tell the user click here. So this information, click here, is going to appear underlined, referencing us to the information that there is a link, you know, that is specified within this text, click here. So when you do that, you then save. So make sure that it's opened here and it's closed here. And then when you save, you refresh your browser, and there you go. So to go to Google, click here. If I click here, I'm supposed to go to the home page for Google like this. There you go. So the second concept that we need to learn is how to insert an image as a link. So the same concept applies, but a little bit different. So the first thing that you need to do is to specify again your anchor tag like this. You open it, and then you close it like this. So everything about the image is going to appear within this these anchor tags as our elements. So within the opening tag, we then type our hyperlink reference again, that is href, which is equals to, so I'm going to be referencing the same website. I'm going to reference the Google website, https like this .google.com like this. So this will be the link, and now I need to specify the image that needs to be used as a link again. So I'm going to just create more space here, and then we insert our image. So we talked about inserting images in the previous tutorial. If you didn't really get much about that, you need to go back to that tutorial, but I'm just going to generally talk about it here. So in inserting an image, you use the img tag like this, that is for image, and then you specify the source, that is with the src abbreviation, which is, then you type equals. Now we need to specify the name of the image that we need to use. So I have a folder here, and I have this image called desktop1, which I'm going to be using as a link. So you put it in quotes, the name, that's desktop1, and then the extension jpg like this. Then I'm going to have alternate text. Suppose I cannot load the image, the browser cannot load the image, or the image is not present in that folder. So it's alternate image, which is equals to, so the image will be either the alternate information will be either a text or an image. So I'm going to just specify it as text like this. And then other attributes that I need to add are the sizes of the image, which are the width and the height. So the width will be equals to 128 pixels, and then the height will be equals to 128 pixels like this. So as you can see, just to go over what we talked about, we use the hyperlink reference here. So it's opened here, so something is wrong. That we forgot to close here. Okay, so to recap, what we talked about, the hyperlink reference is opened with the opening tag here, and it's closed here as highlighted in this light blue shade. And then the image tag now is within the anchor tags. So this will be our elements here. So it's image, then source is equals to desktop.jpg in quotes, and then our out image, that will be the text out, will be text image, and then our width will be 128 pixels, and our height will be 128 pixels, right? So we then save. Right, and then we refresh, and there you go. So if I click on this image, I'm supposed to go to the Google website like this. So there you go. So these are just different concepts. Here I'm just breaking to make sure that I have more space, just maybe for neatness, that's all. Nothing much to learn about except unless you don't know much about the text that we talked about. So if you do that, and then you're done.